nice nighttime view of the good old city. Ugh. I pass through here every day. You know what? It's always a nice view. Even like sections like this. Like I'll say, you know, I'll pass through it and I won't really go through the actual line, the whole thing, the whole strip. But I'll always, you know, enjoy wherever I pass through. It's a nice view. You know, nice flashy lights and such. It's like that, I was gonna say Bruno Mars, but I think it was what is their name? Shit. The Weeknd. There we go. It's like that Weeknd song. That's what's going on now. Oh my God, what is that guy doing? Look, see, this is how accidents happen. This is how people's cars get jacked up, messed up, absolutely destroyed. Look at that fucking A, dude. Shit. You gotta be definitely careful when driving in the city. Look at this guy. Oh my God. But yeah, you know, don't matter who you are. It doesn't matter. You know, you're just a civilian, like up in these streets, unless you actually have some credentials or something that says you're a race car driver or whatever. Pull some cool stunts and stuff. All right, I'll take it. Yeah, drive how you want. Drive, you know, because you're certified, right? Shit, we're all just civvies right now. Everyone's just fucking going Need for Speed on this thing. You need to calm down. I mean, really calm down. The video quality may not be the best because, you know, it's nighttime. Oh fuck it, I'm switching lanes. Like I said, always make sure that you're doing it right, correctly. Pull stunts like this, make sure that no one, you know, you're not gonna crash or anything. Always watch your mirrors and such. Like, damn, I don't know why I gotta remind people like that. Ugh. Always watch your mirrors. Also, if you guys know where I'm at, you know, drop it in the comments, man. Because sure as hell, I'm not saying it. Not because of, I don't know, I just not giving you. If you know where it's at, you know where it's at. For me, I'm not really wanting to put my face, my identity out there. That's why I have like a little persona or mask, whatever the fuck. Whatever the right terminology is. But yeah. Just another day. Another night, yeah. I gotta wake up in a few hours and gotta get back to it and doing stuff again. That's the struggle, I guess. I'll be struggling to get up in the morning. No, I'm joking. Am I? Joking. This is not. I'm not posting this shit just so I can have like a little pity party about me. I want people to learn, take, you know, lead by example is my mindset basically. What kind of example am I showing? I don't know. Fucking doing better. To show that you doesn't matter where you are and how low you are in your life. Keeping your head up, your thoughts straight, can get you places. Can really get you far. just want to state now, don't think about my driving. If you guys are like criticizing my driving or try to, just know I'm a professional driver. Yeah, I'm like a F1 NASCAR certified fucking pilot. Yeah, sure. Believe me, I swear. My source, trust me, bro. Just trust me. Watch this. No, I'm not speeding. It's just 45. He's been driving 40. And plus, don't speed, alright? You hear these people? You hear me? Just don't speed. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything Jesus wouldn't do. Whoa. This guy. You see that? Like, these people are just straight crazy. Straight mad. This guy. I'm gonna shake my head because I know he sees me. Man, I don't got no tinted windows, so definitely they can see me. I can definitely see them.